actually works. It's super cool. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to get Airplane Chef hack for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can actually get unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn this on right here and let's see if the gems start going up. So as you can see at the moment I got like 200, which is really bad, but hopefully it starts increasing and then we're going to be all good to go. So let's see what happens and if our gems increase. Alright, and no change, but it could happen. So yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Airplane Chef hack for iOS and Android. Super cool, and it works on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do, guys, go to our browser and just go to tweakmod.com. Alright, this is the website, guys, where we are going to download this. So let me just type it in. And then we're just going to type in Airplane Chef. And then just go ahead and press install. And before it downloads, there is going to be verification, but this is the last step. It's totally normal. You just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super simple. So if you play Airplane Chef, you're going to like this a lot because it actually works, guys, and it's super cool. So as you can see, it's loading right here, so I'm just going to give it a second to load up, and we're going to be all good to go. So there we go, it's loading, and it says missing files. So basically what we have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow instructions. So like Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we've got like Underdog says the same thing. Family Island after each level 11. So yeah, just do 2 of these, you're going to be all set. That's how you get Airplane Chef hack for your device. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, it's super cool. There's also a video to watch if you're confused, but yeah, this works, bro. It's so nice.